What defines greatness? Is it engineered through skill, or crafted from an iron will? How far would you go in the pursuit of perfection? For a mile of mastery, for prestige that transcends boundaries. What brings out the metal within? To stoke the fire of a burning desire. To rewrite the rules for a moment unsurpassed by none. This is where the legendary finds its place in history, where heroes push for the pinnacle of performance. This is how greatness begins.